Opening this up is really easy, as you guys just saw there. The battery connector is right here. You can see it has the servos over here for the turning of the tail, I guess. Hopefully it'll be more responsive than the Aeroscout Minis. Those were very, very unresponsive. And I destroyed one plane and I lost another plane because it was so unresponsive. You're just like, go left, go left. And then, you know, like a minute later, it would actually go left. And so therefore, not the best for beginners, especially, because beginners need to be able to actually turn at some point. Check out this amazing motor, guys. This looks really, really cool and sturdy. And looks like this is going to...
Likey